Okay, so we're about to go through this car wash right now, and a lot of people fear car washes. So there's the track. You see the guy there telling us to go in. Got to go in slow. And student is going up through the rack, doing a nice job. And then he will stop us, and then he's going to pre-wash the car. And good car washes do this. And there's a lot of things and a lot of moving parts going on here. And it says, please put the car in neutral, off brake, hands off wheel, wipers off. You as a driver have to do this. You gotta know what's going on. See, he's washing the backside. We have a lot of bird poop on the car, real talk. So you want your car to look clean because this is a reflection of you and your car maintenance. And you want to make sure your car looks nice. It's embarrassing if your car does not look good. Once a week, I would say wash your car. Get the road salt off, get the poop off, get dirt off. Even if you have an old beat up car, if it looks clean and looks nice, people will say, wow, you really take care of your car. And car washes are probably the quickest way to get this done. You could always wash it at home. A lot of people use dish soap, but you don't want to do that because it's going to take the wax off of your car. You want to use a special car wash formula to do this. So he's pre-washing. He's not really doing a good job because he will still have some bird poop on the passenger side window. But okay, yeah, he's getting it off now. But there are going to be some brushes. And these brushes, he's really getting that part right there. Because if it's not clean, we're going to take it through again. And then he will start the conveyor belt in a moment. And you can see some of those brushes on the track. And we want this car looking crispy. Yeah, see, there's still some poop on here, and we're making him work today. So I'm laughing a little bit. But see, now he pushed the belt. I guess the belt is starting to move. We're still in drive, so bro, put it in neutral. See, he's pointing to the sign. Put it in neutral.
Trying.
Okay, there we go. So yeah, that happens, and that's a big fear. That's real life. And let's talk about these brushes for a minute. If they're not changed out and there's grit in those brushes, you can actually get swirl marks. And if you have a really nice vehicle, you're not really taking your car through the car wash. You are getting it professionally detailed. But our car is going to look real nice. And your hands are not on the steering wheel. You're not in gear. You are letting the conveyor belt do the work. And we're going to cheat a little bit real quick. Ooh, I just cheated. You see that? But if I turn this on, it could rip our windshield wipers off. Okay. Ooh! So our car's looking good. And what does it really look like outside? Let's take a quick peek. See that brush? Bro. And so these brushes are scrubbing. This is an abrasive type of wash, so it does, take the paint down a little bit. And now we have the bath or the wash again. And this is your basic treatment. Now they're going to rinse the car. And there is a little water coming in. You can see it. And you can see the wheel turning a little bit. It's like a Tesla, but this is a 2010 Impala. It's not a Tesla. And then there are the dryers. I want you to hear this. Listen. Whoa. That's like some hurricane stuff. Dang. Okay. Oh. So it's drying. And then the guy will give us a signal to move ahead. You can hear this, bro. Woo! All right, And the right thing to do is to tip this person. He's giving us up there. Good. Put in park. And then he's going to do his job. And, you know, you want to tip, you know, people who are taking the time. And then, you know, I'm going to tip my guy right here. You get, but this is how you do the car wash, man. And our car's looking good. No more bird poop on here. It takes a lot of effort. And, you know, you saw we almost messed up our ride a little bit. Still got a few spots here, but it's looking good. And I'm going to go ahead and pay my man. I'm going to have him come around. Watch him run around with the money. Thank you. I appreciate you, my brother.
Thank you, man.
God bless you.
Have a good day, man.
All right. And that's it. That's how you go through that car wash.